Okay, so Christopher and I started to do the mini cheesecakes with the chocolate caramel sauce. We crushed about 4.5 graham crackers. We melted the tablespoon of butter, and we added the 1.5 teaspoons of the granulated sugar in a bowl. We mixed it all up, and then we put it in the cupcake holders, and we scooped into each cupcake holder a little bit of the graham cracker crumbs, and then we used this to push it down firmly on the bottom, and that way it's nice and firm, and I think that looks pretty good. So we're about ready to make the cheesecake with the cream cheese. We set out the cream cheese is in the bowl. We have the paddle attachment. We have the whip attachment. We also have the sugar, the sour cream, the vanilla extract, and then we have the egg, which are the other ingredients that we'll be using for the cheesecake. We've already started preheating the oven, and we'll see you in a little bit.